Hi, I'm Jordan, I'm 17. I'm autistic. I hear noise quite loudly, and certain noises can be very, very distressing to me.
One of her first words was noi, whenever there's a strange sound going on. And that noise just causes a stress load. This is debilitating stress, right? This is can't go to school stress, can't cope stress, can't do anything stress.
I hated testing environments. I just go straight into meltdown, and so I was failing.
No one picked what was causing it.
No one could figure out what was wrong, I suppose. I was just weird. Dad ordered them.
I thought, I really must get a pair
And he wanted to try them for himself.
with tinnitus to see if it can do something.
And then I took them.
And that was the last I saw of them.
I found they worked really, really well.
She just loves them.
World off.
The noise of the city, they've really helped with.
The buds make the difference between being able to get there and not being able to get there.
In the city, I turn ambient straight off so I can just hear people's voices. I really like using the sync function. That's really useful because it means you don't have to hear anything in the background. School, I turn down the ambience and up the voices. I can actually do tests now. I can just turn everything off around me and it feels like I'm the only person in the room. For a while, I didn't think I ever was going to graduate. I'm actually doing well this year.
I mean, what else do you want, right? It's nothing short of life enabling.
They've really helped me get on with my daily life and do the things I want to do.